like your car. Can I play with it?
No.
Please?
No. Remember when you broke my Zast 5? I don't think you need to play with it.
But I'm more mature now.
Are we sure about that? Because the other time, it wasn't even a year ago. It was like, what, 2 weeks ago?
Yeah, 2 weeks ago.
Yeah,
that was
2 weeks
2 weeks ago of being 9 years old, and that was just 2 more weeks of being a more mature 9-year-old. So, can I?
No, you mature over years, not 2 weeks. You're 9.
You know what? I don't want to play with your stinky car anyways. I'll go get my own.
Okay, go ahead.
Oh, these are nice. Ooh, that's so good. Oh no, this one's better. Wait, how much does it cost? $20? How much money do I have? $1. What about the other pocket? Lint? What? How am I supposed to spend this? Well, maybe I could do some chores. Maybe I could sweep the floor or wash the dishes. Wait, I know how to make the most money. I could take the trash cans down to the road. Yes, that would work perfectly.
Brienne, it's time to go.
I gotta hide my car. You know what? That'd be the perfect place. She'll never find it. She's not supposed to be here anyway. Last time she did, she got a whooping anyway.
Wait, why isn't it working? Wait, what happened? Oh no, did it break? Ugh. Let's just, she's gonna kill me. And then she's gonna tell Mom, and then I'm gonna get a whooping.
Wait, why is it on? I hope Lou didn't play with it. I thought I hit it pretty well. Why is it not working? Liberty!
Yes?
You play with my car?
No.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Then why is it on?
I don't know. Maybe you just left it off.
No, I turned the controller and the car off when I left. And it's not working either. Did you break it?
No, I never touched it.
Then explain why it's on and why it's broken. It's clearly not working.
Maybe you were just thinking that you turned it off and you left it on too long, so then the batteries went out.
Not possible. When it's off, the batteries don't run at all. Which means it's literally on, which means you ruined the car and you left it on for evidence. Yeah, evidence.
Proof. You don't have proof.
It's on. It's literally on when I got back.
Oh, I don't know. Maybe an elf did it.
Well, I know one thing. I'm telling Mom that you touched my car.
Well, you can't even tell Mom because I didn't even do it.
Mom! Liberty broke my car.
Oh my gosh.